But why do I think Brandon is a lucky boy? Yes, hello everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Gingirikani. My name is Mandla Gingirikani Wakamashaba. Thank you very much, guys, for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the subscribe button to make sure that whenever we do our videos, you are not left behind. So, Idol season 16. So today I'm talking about Idol season 16. What a competition this year, guys. It looks like the competition is sort of upped the level. Yeah, it's on another level. I like the guys can sing, you know. It looks like it's gonna be a very interesting season. It looks like it's gonna be a very powerful season with good singers, you know. But I just have few people that I want to talk about. Firstly, I want to talk about Brandon dhludlu. I believe Brandon dhludlu is a lucky boy. I feel he's very, very lucky. He must thank his gods. If we are tandaza, makatandazi. If we are pasha, I must be pasha. So maybe let's start from who is Brandon. Brandon dhludlu is actually Kolani Brandon dhludlu. He's from Barberton in Mpumalanga, in the Mpumalanga province. He auditioned in Durban. I think he did that online pop-up audition, and he was through, which he performed Shasha song. It's called Tender Love, you know. Giaorata, Giaotanda, you know. So that's the song that he sang, and featuring Maporisa and Kabza the Small, and he clearly wowed the judges, guys, because the guy can sing. I mean, take nothing from the guy. The guy can sing. So he clearly wowed them because he got him through. He got golden ticket to go through to theater week, you know. But why do I think that Brandon is a lucky boy? Number one, the nerves. The guy has got nerves for days, and I felt like, you could hear that the guy has a voice, but because of nerves, he's not on tempo. He's not rhythmic, if I can put it that way. In Randall's words, I would say he wasn't musical. But he was very lucky to have gotten through, especially the fact that he's a returnee because he was there last year. So he's a very lucky boy. So number two, I feel like because he has a tendency to forget lyrics, and I feel like that this is the main reason why I am saying he's a lucky boy, because I've seen in the competition where other contestants have been sent home because of forgetting lyrics. People have been penalized in the competition for forgetting lyrics, and I know Randall is a no-nonsense taker. He doesn't take nonsense when it comes to lyrics. If you can't get your lyrics right, you are going home, especially during theater week. So you got to theater week, first solo, he forgot his lyrics. Brandon forgot his lyrics, and then he was lucky to have gotten through. It looks like the judges liked him. It looks like the judges love him. They like him. Probably because of his persona. He's very humble. He looks like he does want to win this thing, you know. He looks very dedicated, but when he goes on stage, honestly speaking, I have to understand that when you go on stage, I mean, the Idol stage is one hell of a stage where nerves are bound to come through. So, but you have to find a balance to make sure that they don't overcome. You have to make sure that you're able to deal with them. And I felt like Brandon forgets his lyrics. He allows the nerves to come through. So that is actually a big point for me, because I mean, if you look at people who were sent home this year, you remember the guy from Mfundo. Mfundo was a fan favorite during the first audition. That guy was sent home because he forgot his lyrics. And I'm like, okay, so if other people are being sent home for forgetting lyrics, why is Brandon still in a competition, you know? We all know Brandon can sing. He's got a voice, you know, but he has to deal with those things. And I feel like this is going to be his biggest shortfall in the competition. If he's going to forget lyrics, if he's going to get nervous, he's going home. He's not going to survive top 16. I mean, if you want to go to top 10, he has to make sure that he deals with those things. His best performance in the Idol season 16 so far, it was just one. Just once when they sang, when it was a group stage, he sang with Bruce, Mr. Music, and Saxido, and they killed that song. They killed that performance, man. Emcimbini, you know, Emcimbini, Golazong Tola Kona. They killed that song, and I felt like Brandon was smiling, was dancing, he looked comfortable, you know. So if that is the kind of a Brandon we're gonna have in the top 16, then he might even go to top 10, because he's likable, he's cute, you know, and he does have a stage presence which can work in his favor, and lots of girls are going to vote for him, of course. So I just want to say that if you want to see himself in the top 10, he needs to grow. He has to make sure that he deals with those things, those two factors, nerves and forgetting lyrics. If he can deal with that, Brandon can go far in the competition. And so yeah, that's all I had for you today, guys, in terms of Brandon dhludhlu. He's a cool guy. He looks like a cool guy. He did speak of his background, you know, that he really needs to win this competition, and his family background, you know, that can come in play. You know, I know people usually vote for someone that looks like really needs it financially, like he said those things. So he might get votes, but if he does not deal with those things, I am doubtful. But you know what? Because I really like the guy, I like him to do well. I wish him all the best in the top 16. I hope he's gonna do well. I hope he's gonna choose good songs, because he looks like he likes the vibey soul kind of music, you know, with a house beat, you know, onto it. He likes those kind of songs. Probably he has to make sure that he chooses a song that is going to be comfortable for his voice, and that is going to also allow him to smile, because he's got a good smile, but he hardly smiles, closes his eyes most of the time. So I don't know, if you want to entertain, conduct the stage, you know, fill up the stage, man, you know, be in control, is he gonna do that? That's the question. So I wish him all the best. I hope he can do well, because the competition is tough this year, guys, especially with the guys. Whew, Brandon, all the best, man. So guys, thank you very much for watching me on Gingirikani. Thank you very much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please also hit the subscribe button to make sure that whenever we do videos, you are the first to receive it, and click all. Thank you very much, guys. Ekas Dors, legere mina. Salut. Mengatiti meli.